Let me ask you something important. If I ask you today where your supply chain is losing money, would you be able to point to one clear place? Because most companies don't lose money through one big mistake. They lose it quietly through small currency and cost leaks every single day. Today, we're not talking about identifying leaks, we're talking about how to actually fix them. Cost leaks are difficult to fix for one simple reason. They don't show up as alarms, they hide inside normal operations. Freight invoices, currency movements, delays, and exceptions that feel routine. So the first step is not control. The first step is seeing cost differently. The biggest mistake companies make is tracking total cost instead of cost movement. You need to stop asking, "What is our cost?" and start asking, "Where did cost change and why?" Look for cost increases that happen without changes in volume, demand, or disruption. Those are not market effects, those are leaks. If a cost changes quietly, it deserves attention loudly. Most currency and cost leaks survive because ownership is unclear. Finance sees the variance, supply chain sees the operation, but no one owns the decision that created the exposure. Fix this by reviewing costs together, finance and supply chain, and asking one question: which operational decision created this cost movement? When ownership becomes clear, leaks don't survive long. Base freight rates usually get attention, leaks live elsewhere. Fuel surcharges, detention and demurrage, emergency rerouting, congestion fees, each one looks small. Together they change your entire cost structure. Separate base cost from exception cost and track why exceptions repeat. One exception is an incident. Repeated exceptions are a design flaw. Delays don't just affect service, they increase inventory carrying cost, working capital pressure, and storage expense. Time is one of the most powerful cost drivers and the least visible. Track variability, not just average transit time. When time becomes visible, cost becomes controllable. Many companies know their total logistics cost. Very few know cost by customer, lane, or order type. That's how unprofitable business hides behind good averages. Fix this by calculating cost to serve and comparing it with margin. Not all revenue is good revenue, and clarity proves it. Dashboards don't need more charts, they need better questions. Instead of showing cost, show where cost changed without reason. A good dashboard doesn't explain everything, it forces the right conversation. Here's the truth: most cost leaks aren't caused by bad decisions, they're caused by disconnected ones. When visibility improves, behavior changes. And when behavior changes, cost follows. At KSP Knowledge Hub, we believe cost control is not about tighter budgets. It's about clear decisions, visible risks, and disciplined follow through. In the next session, we'll go deeper into building dashboards that expose these leaks early. If you want supply chains that don't just move faster but move smarter, you're in the right place. This is Kalpana Patil on behalf of KSP Knowledge Hub India. See you in the next session.